Hi everyone, welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shade and it's so very nice of you to join us today. Now if you're here for the first time, hi and welcome to Circle Time. So let's get started by singing our good morning song. Can you sing the good morning song with me, friends? Well, let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, do you know what day it is today, my friends? Well, let's say the days of the week and find out. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Today is Friday. Yes, because yesterday was Thursday, so today is Friday. Yes, hooray for Friday. Today is Friday, all day long, all day long. Yes, my friends, it's a lovely Friday. And we are still in the month of February. Well, February and Friday both start with the letter F. Now let's say the months of the year. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Very good, everyone. Now it's time to find out about the weather. Yes, and to find out about the weather, let's get ready and sing our weather song. All right, are you ready? Well, let's sing. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Well, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Well, now, my friends, we can look out our windows and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, take a good look. Yes, my friends, it's a sunny day. It's a sunny day out today. And that is perfect for what we are doing today in Circle Time. But you'll have to wait to find out. Yes. So now, let's talk about our color of the day. Our color of the day today is the color green. Green is our color of the day. And do you know, my friends, green is one of those colors that you need to mix. Do you know what colors you need to mix to get green? Well, you put some blue and some yellow together and you get green. Yes. So, green is our color of the day. Can you think of something that's green? Yes, grass is green. Iguanas are green. Lots of things are green, right? Now, let's talk about our shape of the day. Our shape of the day today is a semicircle. Yes, a semicircle is like half of a circle. Can we draw a semicircle? Well, let's go. Start with your curve and then do a line to the bottom and you've got yourself a semicircle. Yes, a semicircle sometimes looks like the sun when it's setting on the horizon. Great. Now, let's find out about our number of the day. Our number of the day is the number 10. Yes, can we count to 10? Well, what should we do to count to 10? Maybe we should dance and count to 10. Are you ready, my friends? Are you getting your dancing bodies ready? Well, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. We danced and counted to 10. That was really good dancing. Now, let's find out about our letter of the day. Yes, my friends, it's time for our letter of the day. And yesterday, we talked about the letter U and Union Village. So, now we are going to talk about the letter V. Yes, we are going to talk about the letter V today. V is our letter of the day. Can you think of some words that start with the letter V? Yes, very, van, vine. All those words start with the letter V. And guess what, my friends? Our area of the day also starts with the letter V. Did you know that? Well, you're going to find out. Let's talk about our area of the day. Our area of the day today comes from Trinidad. And yes, in Trinidad, we have a place called Vessigny. Yes, Vessigny Beach. And it's a lovely beach to visit. And you can do all the things that you would do on a beach. You can take a nice swim in those waters. You can build a sand castle. You can have lots of fun. And guess what? Since it's Friday, you can make your plan to go tomorrow or Sunday because it's the weekend. Yes. So I hope you get a chance to check out Vessigny Beach very soon. All right, my friends, now it's time to talk about our lesson for today. And guess what? It's our last day talking about Carnival today, but we have something really fun. And if you made your recipe book with us last time, we have a recipe that you can add to your recipe book today. Because guess what, my friends? We are going to be making snow cones today. Yes! Yes, so you have the recipe for snow cones, and we are going to do that for our activity today. Now, all you would need, of course, is some ice, because we know snow cones have lots of ice in them. They also need syrup. Now, it's not your ordinary syrup. You need some syrup that we are going to make. So you're going to follow the recipe, and then you're going to make that syrup, allow it to cool, and then we are going to put together our lovely snow cone. Yes, snow cone is a very important part of our culture as well because we enjoy it when the sun is very hot. Around Carnival time, you usually have lots of snow cone vendors because the sun is very hot around Carnival time. Yes, that's why they usually have Carnival around this time every year. So, let's get ready to enjoy and make our very own snow cone. All right, my friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I know you had fun making your snow cone, and be sure to add the recipe to your recipe book so you can make it again. And since today is our last school day of the week, you can go ahead and enjoy your weekend, as well as check out some more of our TriniKidsTV videos right here on the channel, okay? So I'll see you next time, friends. Bye.